Hi students, today we are going to take the second module of the chapter Little Girls Are Wiser. At the end of the class, you will be able to read and comprehend the paragraph, enrich vocabulary, identify and understand more about different types of adjectives, identify different types of nouns. So this is the paragraph. Let's read. When they got near one another, Akulia said, "Mind, Malasha, don't splash. Walk carefully." She had hardly said this when Malasha put her foot down so hard that the water splashed right onto Akulia's frock. The frock was splashed, and so were Akulia's eyes and nose. When she saw the stain on her frock, she was angry and ran after Malasha to strike her. Malasha was frightened, and seeing that she had got herself into trouble, she scrambled out of the puddle and prepared to run home. Just then Akulia's mother happened to be passing, and saw that her daughter's skirt was splashed and that her sleeves were dirty. She said, "You naughty, dirty girl, what have you been doing?" "Malasha did it on purpose," replied the girl. This is the passage. Let's look. In the last module, we discussed that both of the little girls met on the street and they began to play in a dirty water puddle. When they were playing in the puddle, Akulia asked Malasha to be careful. But when Malasha put her foot down so hard in the water, the dirty water splashed all over Akulia's frock. Akulia got angry. By that time, Malasha get out of the dirty water puddle and she rushed home. Malasha ran behind Akulia to strike her. Strike means to hit her. Malasha was frightened, and seeing that she had got herself into trouble. Got herself into trouble means she had done something wrong and she was now in trouble. So she scrambled. Scrambled means move quickly and clumsily from or into a place. So suddenly she get out of that puddle and she prepared to run home. By that time, unfortunately, Akulia's mother passed by. When Akulia mother happened to see her daughter standing there with dirt all over her frock, she got angry. By that time, Akulia replied that Malasha did it on purpose. So this is the paragraph. Now, let me ask a few questions to check whether you have understood it or not. Where do the little girls meet? How does the place look? Okay, now I think you got the answer. Next, why was Akulia's mother angry? What was Akulia's reply to her mother's question? If you know the answer for all this, that means you have comprehended the passage. Next, we can have a look at the word meaning of the word which we have learned. Strike means hit. She had got herself into trouble. She had done something wrong and was now in trouble. Scrambled, move quickly and clumsily from or into a place. Next, we are doing the activity section. You have learned nouns. You know what is a noun. Today we are just revising whatever things you have learned so far. A noun is a naming word that is used to name living beings, place, things, ideas and feelings. Here example is there. Jay is a clever boy. The red color highlighted word is a noun. Name, Jay and boy. Next one, his cleverness impressed everyone. Here the highlighted word is cleverness. It is also a noun. In this given sentence, Jay, boy, cleverness are nouns. Now let's look what are the different kinds of noun which we have, which you have studied so far. First one is common noun, next one is proper noun, then abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun. Now we can just see what each noun means. Here common, in this screen you can see two columns. One is of common noun, other is of proper noun. From this column itself it's clear what is a common noun and what is a proper noun. Car, and next you can see picture of an OD, and OD is there. So car is a common noun which we use for cars, and OD is a specific noun which we give for a special type of vehicle. Man, Sachin. Sachin is a specific name of that person which you can see in a photo there. State is a common noun, but Kerala is a specific name of our state. Book, any book can be, it's a common noun, but Jungle Book is a specific name of book. Next, we are moving with abstract noun. Word that shows ideas, qualities, feelings, emotions like happiness, truth, danger, bravery. These are called abstract noun. The words can only be understood and not seen or touched. The nouns which we cannot see, touch, smell, taste or anything is called abstract noun. The nouns which we can only feel that nouns, we can only understand that noun, but we cannot see or touch it. So this type of nouns is called abstract nouns. Next one, collective nouns. Nouns that name a group or a class of similar things or person taken together and spoken of as a whole are called collective nouns. In the picture you can see everything is given in a group. So a group of things which we mention as one is called collective nouns. A swarm of bees, a group of bees, a banquet of rose, a bunch of grapes, a school of fish. These are some example of collective nouns. Next, we are moving with compound nouns. Words which are made up by combining two separate words are called compound nouns. When two different words join together to form a noun, it's called compound nouns. Here, notebook, rainbow, bathroom, ice cream, seafood. All these are example of compound noun. Let's do an activity. Here, you have to write whether the highlighted words are common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns or compound nouns. One example is given there. The small velvet bag was full of diamonds. Here the highlighted words is diamond, and diamond is a common noun. Like that you have to do the remaining. We can have just a look what are they. I am going to Kochi tomorrow. Here Kochi is the highlighted word. The owl is often used to represent wisdom. Wisdom. They stopped for a picnic next to a beautiful waterfall. Waterfall is a highlighted word here. The film began with a fleet of ships sailing across an ocean. Here fleet is a highlighted word. Look at the beautiful old bridge. Here bridge. What are adjectives? Adjectives are modifiers. They modify nouns or pronouns. This means they change the image of a noun or pronoun. In simple, adjectives means the describing words of a noun is called adjectives. Now, more about adjectives. When two or more adjectives are used before a noun, they are placed in a particular order. This is the order. First one, we have to mention number, opinion, size, condition, age, shape, color, origin, material and purpose. According to this, we have to arrange the adjectives. When we are using two or more adjectives for a noun, we have to arrange the adjective according to this specific order. First one, number, amount or quality, 1, 2, like that. Next one, opinion, attitude, observation, the opinion about that noun, delicious, lovely. Next, size. Size means big, small, tall, huge, tiny. Then condition or quality. Condition, state, clean, wet, rich, hungry. Age, how old is it? If it is 1 year old, young, new, antique. Shape, weight and length, round, square, long, fat. Color, the color of that thing, whether it's green, blue, reddish, purple. Next, origin of American, British, Indian, Turkish. Material, whether what is it made of, gold, wooden, plastic, synthetic. Purpose, what is it used for, gardening, shopping, riding. When we are using all this describing words, when we are using this, we are changing that noun, we are giving a clear picture about what we are describing. That's why adjectives are called describing nouns. Here one example is there: a wonderful large round Spanish marble table. See the order that the words are arranged here. Next, you have to complete a small activity. Write the adjective in the bracket in the correct order. First one is given as an example: a lamp, handmade, paper, beautiful. Here you have to arrange the adjective according to the special order which we have learned. A beautiful. Here first we have written a beautiful handmade paper lamp. Next one, kites, red, diamond shaped, 3. Third one, a bottle, plastic, small, favorite. Fourth one, a hat, velvet, Italian, stylish. Fifth one, a song, old, Hindi, lovely. Students, complete your works. Hope you have understood. Have a nice day. Thank you.